I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder, the radio lesson that helps Korean click one rung at a time.
안녕하세요. 하나입니다. 오늘도 같이 자연스러운 한국어를 배워봐요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. 오늘은 친구끼리 쓰는 짧은 말, 있어와 없어를 연습합니다.
Here's my problem. I know
있어요.
means there is or I have, and
없어요.
means there isn't or I don't have. But my Korean friends keep saying,
있어 and 없어.
are they just cutting off the ending?
좋은 질문이에요. 네, 모양은 요가 빠진 것처럼 보여요. But the real point is speech level. 있어요 is polite, and 있어 is casual 반말.
없어요 works the same way. 없어요 is polite. 없어 is casual. Same meaning, different relationship feeling.
So, it's not a new verb. It's the same everyday have and don't have, just in friend mode.
맞아요. 오늘의 패턴은 간단해요. 있어요 becomes 있어. 없어요 becomes 없어.
Why it matters. In Korean, the ending tells the relationship. Dropping yo can make you sound warm with a friend, but too casual with someone you should respect.
First example. 시간 있어요? It means, do you have time? Politely. With a close friend, 시간 있어?
Now the casual version. 시간 있어? Same question, but 반말. It sounds like you are talking to a friend.
Another one. 돈 있어요? Is polite. Do you have money? 돈 있어? Is casual.
For the negative, 시간이 없어요 means I don't have time. or there is no time. Casual is 시간 없어.
Wait, sometimes I hear,
시간이 없어요.
withy, but you just said.
시간 없어. 유드아우디.
Is that allowed?
좋은 포인트예요. 시간이 없어 is correct. And 시간 없어 is also very common in casual speech. The particle 이 can be dropped when the meaning is clear.
So for today, focus on the ending. 있어요 to 있어. 없어요 to 없어. Particles like 이 or 가 may appear, but in quick casual talk, they are often omitted.
Let's unpack 있어요. 있어요 is the polite present form of 있다. In English, it can mean there is, there are, or I have, depending on the sentence.
있어 is the casual version. 열쇠 있어 can mean I have a key when the context is about me, or there is a key when the context is a place.
So Korean doesn't always need I or there. If we're talking about my bag, 가방에 열쇠 있어 means there's a key in the bag.
맞아요. 가방에 means in the bag or at the bag. The ending 있어 tells us exists in casual speech.
없어 is the opposite. 가방에 열쇠 없어 means there is no key in the bag. Or naturally, I don't have the key in my bag.
Let me reason it out.
물 있어.
Is casual, do you have water? Or is there water?
and 물 없어.
Is no water, or I don't have water.
완벽해요. That is exactly how friends use it.
Now listen to a short, casual dialogue. Hannah and I are speaking as close friends. So the lines use 있어 and 없어.
커피 있어?
아니, 없어. 차는 있어.
좋아. 그럼 차 마시자.
I noticed.
차는 있어.
나는 feels like as for tea, we have it, right?
네. The particle는 marks the topic or contrast. 차는 있어 means coffee is missing. But as for tea, it exists.
That contrast is very useful. 돈은 없어. 시간은 있어. I don't have money, but I do have time.
Pronunciation time. 있어 is written 있어, but it sounds like 있어. The double sounding 쌍시옷 is strong and clear.
없어 is written 없어. And the natural sound is 없어. 없어요 also sounds like 없어요.
Okay, repeat after me mode.
있어.
좋아요. One more time, a little stronger in the middle. 있어?
있어. 시간 있어.
좋습니다. Now the negative. 없어. 시간 없어.
없어. 시간 없어.
완벽해요. Short, natural, and casual.
Common mistake check.
Could I say 없어?
If I just remove the from,
없어요.
like maybe to Tasha's stuff,
No. 없요 is not a word. The polite form is 없어요 and the casual form is 없어. Keep the
Same with 있어요. The casual form is 있어, not 있죠. You are not just clipping randomly. You are changing to the casual ending.
another danger. If I say
선생님, 시간 있어.
to a teacher, it may sound rude because I used banmal.
Exactly. With a teacher, boss, stranger, or older person, you are not close to use 있어요 or 없어요. Casual 있어 and 없어 are for accepted banmal situations.
Mini quiz. You are texting a close friend. You already speak banmal together. You want to ask, do you have time? Which sounds most natural.
I'm choosing A.
시간 있어.
B is polite and C is grammatical, but feels a little heavier with E for this quick friend text.
Correct. A is the most natural, quick, casual choice. C is not wrong, but 시간 있어 is the everyday friend version.
정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 있어요는 공손한 말이고 있어는 반말이에요. In English, 있어요 is polite and 있어 is casual 반말.
둘째, 없어요는 공손한 말이고 없어는 반말입니다. In English, 없어요 is polite and 없어 is casual.
셋째, 친구끼리는 시간 있어. 시간 없어처럼 짧게 말해요. In English, with close friends, these short forms sound natural.
넷째, 없쇼 and 있쇼 are mistakes. Korean says 없어 and 있어. 그리고 상대가 선생님이나 모르는 사람이면 있어요, 없어요를 쓰세요. In English, keep the polite forms with teachers, strangers, and people you are not close to.
Keeper sentence for today.
시간 있어.
Short, friendly, and only for someone I'm already casual with.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 시간 있어? It means, do you have time in casual Korean?
코리안 라더였습니다. 다음 시간에는 짧은 반말을 더 자연스럽게 이어가 보겠습니다. See you on the next round.